Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here. I'm here today with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing another wig for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Main Concept Red Carpet Premiere Lace Front Wig. This is in the style RCP 7008B, 30 inches, and the color SR2 Quartz Pink. Basically, it's another rose gold pinky type of wig, which I've really been loving lately. If you saw my video, a couple videos before this, I reviewed a different style of pink rose gold type of wig. This one is 30 inches and it is wavy. It comes in a lot of cool colors like ice blue, red, the quartz pink we have here, creamy blonde. So yes, I cannot wait to try this baby on. It looks very interesting and I love the waves. If you're interested in seeing me try her on right now, you know what to do. Just please stay tuned. But before we get into it, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the red subscribe button below. It says subscribe, it's really big, just click it. And also click the little gray bell beside it so you can be notified of any of my future videos. You don't want to miss out. You want to be a part of this growing community that we have here. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into this video. Alright guys, so I'm so excited because I'm going to also be trying out a new product that I'm sure that you've seen if you are a wig enthusiast like myself. This is the Esha glue that's come out recently with Janet collection. It's the Esha Luxury Wig Fashion Lace Wig Bond. It is in Firm. They also have another type of this glue that is in Absolute. Absolute is heavy duty. If you watch my video, which I'll link right above right here, where I review Ghost Bond XL, that's probably more on the Absolute side. This one's supposed to be a little less harsh and a little less like heavy duty. The Ghost Bond that I recently tried was like, my wig stayed on for multiple days. I really think it could have stayed on even longer, but I just wanted to take it off. Based on the comparison I'm getting, I really think that Janet Collection Esha Absolute is comparable to the Ghost Bond XL. This is supposed to be a little less final. This is probably gonna last you a couple days, but not be as like stuck. It also comes with a remover, which I'm really excited about. This is what it looks like right here. Esha Luxury Wig Fashion Lace Wig Bond Remover for effortless clean removal. I'm so excited to try this. So we're going to be putting this wig on, and then I'm also going to be removing it for you later on. Probably not today because we're going to see how long it lasts. And then when I'm ready to take it off, I will be removing it for you. So this is going to be really exciting. We're going to do a little wear test. You don't only have to do wear tests with makeup. You can do wear tests with other things also, such as these products right here. So thank you so much to Elevate Styles for sending this to me. I have bought several wigs from Elevate Styles. They have great customer service, and they also, I think Elevate Styles is the first website that I purchased a wig from, but they have good customer service and quick shipping. 2 to 3 days the wig is going to be at your front door, so that's always a good thing. Great, thank you to them for sending this to me to try out. I'm so excited to do that. They were also kind enough to send me this Esha Lace Wig Bond glue and removal collection right here from Janet Collection, so thank you to them for that. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and take this baby out of the package. This is a red carpet premiere wig, like I said, from Main Concept. I love Main Concept so much. If you watch my wig reviews, oh yes, if you watch my wig reviews, you've seen me review several of their products. They definitely have my favorite wigs, I would say. They make the best wigs. The best company is Main Concept, in my opinion. All their wigs are just really like innovative and fun, and the colors, the quality, just the styles that they come out with are always like on point and very trendy. So they're my favorite. This is the tag right here that comes on the wig right here. She's called B. She's 30 inches long and she's in the color SR2 / Quartz Pink. The name B is very sentimental to my heart. Does anybody watch Wentworth? If you don't watch it, please check it out. It's on Netflix. It's a women's prison show, like Orange is the New Black, but not funny at all. Orange is the New Black is more of a comedy. This is very serious, and it's Australian, which is really cool. It's an Australian show, and one of the main characters is named B. It just came out with a new season on Netflix, so I highly recommend checking that show out. That's a very sentimental name to me. I won't spoil the show for you, but B, I love you. I love her. I love her. I really check out that show. It's a great show. But anyway, let's go ahead and woo-wee, this is beautiful. This is really nice. Look at I love the waves. It's like, it definitely reminds me of like a mermaid. And the wig cap is pink tinted, which I like, and I love the color of the lace too. It's a nice brown color, not too white or too clear. What I'm gonna do now is just clip the lace. It does come with a bra straps, of course. It comes with 2 clips really close on either side of the middle part. I like that, to really secure that part down, make it look flat. And it comes with a clip in the back. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and clip this lace right here. You know the drill. Just start from ear to ear and clip it as close to the hairline as I possibly can without clipping any of the hair. Then I'll be right back to apply this lace glue, and then we'll put this baby on. Alrighty guys, so I have clipped the lace on the wig. We are going to go ahead and apply the glue right here, the Esha glue. The directions on the back say shake well and make sure to remove all oil and makeup residue from the application area. So if you watch my videos, you know that I like taking this isopropyl alcohol from Equate. Get it from Walmart for cheap. And I'm just going to put some of that on a cotton round, and I'm just going to wipe this area of my hairline. And of course you want to do this before you put any makeup on your face. And they're using anything as soft as Got To Be spray, which is not as strong, or if you're using something like a lace wig glue, you never want to have makeup on. It's just going to make a big mess and it's not going to look good like you want it to. So now I'm just going to apply a thin layer of the Esha Lace Bond evenly around my hairline. Wig glue all around my hairline. It says when the glue becomes tacky, approximately 20 seconds. Apply lace wig on application area and press for 1 minute or until firmly in place. Make sure the Esha Lace Bond glue is dry before applying an additional coat for extra strength. You can control the strength by applying an additional coat. So you can make this stronger if you let this dry and then add a second layer. I'm just going to let this first layer dry and then decide, you know, what I want to do. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a second layer. I think I'm just going to keep this right here, but we're just going to let this dry. I don't know, about 20 seconds. I'm going to probably give it about like 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll be back. All right guys, so it's only been like 2 minutes, and as you can see, this is already drying down like a lot. This dries extremely quickly, which I love. A lot of times I'll have to wait like a very long time for things to dry, like 10 to 15 minutes. When I used the Ghost Bond, I think I did wait 10 to 15 minutes. And this dried so quick. It's only been about 2 minutes. I tried to give it 3 and I was like, hold up, this stuff is disappearing. So they're not joking when they say give it like 20, 30 seconds, a minute. That's all you really need to do. All right, so we're ready to apply the wig now. So beautiful. I'm so excited. So what I'm gonna do is just apply a little bit more. Right here. We're gonna let that dry for about a minute, and then I'm gonna stick that area around. I can already tell that this is definitely not as strong as the Ghost Bond XL at all. The Ghost Bond XL, it immediately stuck. This I'm having to press down a little bit more. And if I would have done an extra layer like it said that I could, maybe it would build up to get as strong as the Ghost Bond. But as right now, I can definitely tell this is nowhere near as strong as Ghost Bond. Alright guys, I'm looking pretty crazy right now. It looks like really bulky and everything, but don't worry. Once we tie it down and flatten out the top and everything, it'll look a lot better. Right now it looks really bulky and everything like that, too far up. So just to make sure that it's stuck first before we do any type of styling, I'm gonna take my favorite silk scarf and I'm just gonna tie the wig down, and I'm gonna leave it tied down until I get my makeup done and everything. I originally filmed the first part of this video on Friday, and it is now Sunday, so this has lasted me 2 days, as you can see right here. It's the glue is still stuck to my head pretty well. I mean, look at there, looky there. Oh, see, look at this. I didn't even know that. That just happened today. Today's Sunday. It was not like this yesterday. So this part is starting to come up a little bit, and so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this wig. I didn't even know that. Like, that part was completely stuck down yesterday. So this part is completely come up. It's supposed to be like this right here. It's completely starting to come up. So this wig glue is not gonna last you like for multiple days, like for a week or anything like that. So I'm ready for it to come off anyway, so that's fine with me. I do like this wig. It's very like effortless. I love the curls and everything like that. Very like effortless. It's almost like you just rolled out of bed and your hair is like, you know, you got bed head or whatever. I like that. I like that look. We're gonna go ahead and take the Esha Luxury Wig Fashion Lace Wig Bond Remover, and we're going to take this entire wig off. I'm really excited to use this. I really like what's in this. So it says, for effortless clean removal, gently lift the wig and spray on scalp. I don't understand how I'm supposed to spray it on my scalp when the wig is stuck down on this part, like my hairline. How am I gonna get it on my scalp? We'll figure it out. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, wipe off, follow up with a clarifying shampoo to rid leftover residue and products. Repeat if necessary. This is the part that's actually stuck down to my head still, so we're gonna do this first. Just the little flap right here is up, but everything else is stuck down. Spraying it around. I'm lifting it up, like it said. I don't know how I'm supposed to spray it on my scalp, but I'm like spraying it where it's stuck, basically. I'm just gonna massage that in. And I do have makeup on my face, so this might end up being a horrible mess. It said 3 to 5 minutes, so I'm gonna let it sit here for about 3 minutes, and then I'll be back to snatch this baby off. Cheers, guys. It's Sunday. Just enjoying a little rosé, if I don't mind. Don't mind if I do. So let's remove this wig, shall we? It's been about 3 minutes, and already I could feel it loosening on my head, which is really cool. So now I'm just going to try to remove this. This part right here is still very stuck, but that was so easy. Oh my God, that was so easy. Wow, okay. It said there might be a little residue to use some shampoo or whatever, but what I'm gonna do is just take a baby wipe that I had sitting on my makeup table right here and just wipe this away. Please ignore my wig cap. It is looking extra crusty and jacked. Yeah, there is a little bit of residue left on my head, but we don't need no shampoo. It's on my head, not on my hair. I also want to see how much residue is on the wig, because yeah, okay, it's not that bad. There's a little bit of glue residue, but when I use the Ghost Bond glue, it's way more residue left on the wig that's really hard to get off of that lace. So yeah, guys, that's it. We're done. So easy to do. The Janet Collection Esha Luxury Wig Fashion Lace Bond Glue and Lace Bond Remover. I love them both. Definitely gonna be using them. I definitely want to check out the Absolute. This, once again, is the Firm. So I do want to check out Absolute. Absolute is going to be a little bit more strong of a formula than this one. I do like this though, but I do prefer, I think, something that's a bit stronger, because I tried out Ghost Bond at first and that was just amazing to me. I mean, if you're going to wear a wig glue, I feel like you want it to really hold your wig down for some period of time. And I feel like that formula, the strength, I like better. But that's just my opinion. This still worked really well if you want something more lightweight. This is extremely easy to remove using this lace wig bond remover. So I do like this combination together if you just want your wig to lay down for the day, which is fine. I would say this. And this might replace my Got To Be spray because this is less messy. So I kind of like this. When I use that Got To Be spray, the freeze blasting spray to lay my wigs down, to hold my wigs down, it gets real messy. You know, it'll start streaking down your face. You have to use alcohol to even remove that. It's a messy situation. It works really good and it's really cheap, but I don't like the mess. I like this because it's way less messy and you do not have to wait long for this to dry. Like it says wait 20 seconds. I waited for a minute and that was almost too long. I feel like you really only have to wait 20 to 30 seconds like it says for this to apply your wig, which is awesome. It's just as convenient as the freeze blasting spray from Got To Be, but there's less mess. This might be a little bit more expensive, but to me that's kind of worth it. I really like it. So you could probably use this with any adhesive, which is awesome. Just a great thing to have if you wear wigs, in my opinion, is this lace bond remover. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely enjoyed trying these products and that wig. That wig is really cute. I love it. If you're interested in any of these products, of course, they will be down in the description box below. They are all from Elevate Styles, another great online wig retailer and online beauty store that I've had great experience with. So I can't wait to hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.